Hello everyone! Today we are looking at one of the greatest classic RPGs ever made. So of course there won't be any bad English translations in Persona 5, right? Ha! Blended with placenta. Blended with placenta? Okay, I guess I can sort of stomach that. Triple filtered Shibuya river water. Well, at least it's triple filtered, right? Should be okay. Certainly they don't have any grammar errors, right? In such a modern game. Filled with fruits. I have no words. Anyway, on to the Japanese lesson.
世の中死ぬより辛い罰もあるなって思っただけ。怖っ。
Oh my god, holy poop. Now, for some reason, the translators felt that Ryuji needed to be an evil, every other swear word character. But he is in fact not like that at all. And that changes his character entirely in the game, and ruins it for the English release of Persona 5. What Ryuji said here was "Kowai," which is correctly translated as scary, frightening, eerie, or dreadful. This was in response to Anne's comments, and so the correct translation here is, she's scary, or you're scary. You know, something along the lines of, she's scaring me. But nowhere near the expression, holy poop. And I mean, come on, what is with the expression, holy poop anyway? I mean, poop is totally not holy. In fact, it should be unholy poop.
Mafia?
何言い出してんだ?
詐欺の片棒を担がされて家族まで脅迫して破滅するまで追い込む。
マジかよ。
Here again, Ryuji says a completely different word, majikayo, which is translated as seriously or are you serious? And has nothing to do with holy poop, which isn't actually holy.
マジかよ。
So according to the dumb translators of this game, the phrases seriously and scary are just actually holy poop in English.
ガキは放っておけ。次の予定がある。
クズが。あいつ生で見てどうよ。
Again here, Ryuji says kuzu in Japanese, which means scum, piece of trash, or loser, and is nowhere near the strength or the same meaning as the S word in English.
クズが。マジなのかよそれ。
So the only conclusion that I can come to is that the retarded translators of this game are just foul-minded and full of holy poop. Time to go back to elementary school, idiots. Yeah, take it. Justice. Justice has been served. Good luck in your Japanese studies, everyone. And see you all next time. Hey, look, a Neko Bus reference. At least there's something nice and holy in this game.